Hi guys, and we're gonna skip count by threes today. So we're gonna skip count by threes, alright? In the garage, so perfect. So let's do it. Alright? Let's go. Here we go. No. Skip count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. That's all I can do. So, let's go ahead and hold a cord. It's a cord, alright? It's an HDMI cord. Look. This HDMI cord. It goes with my cable box in the Xbox One, remember? So, as you can tell, this cord was unbelievable. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Since I'm holding the HDMI cord, let's go say hi to my 2-year-olds and dad. Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Yeah. Ow. You hit the camera, huh? Yeah, I got a haircut, so. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
So, I'm holding an HDMI cord, so. Yep. That's how I'm playing my gun. Alright. So as you can tell, the heck of mine. This is my HDMI cord I'm holding on to. Yeah. Let me just sit down. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Say bye, and Lon. Bye. Bye, Lon.
Bye.
See ya. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.